when women think about stuff, you always thinking about it in your context. When I say it, men have a plan, like playing chess. You play chess?
No.
Of course you don't.
What? I play Chinese checkers.
Exactly.
Makes you feel better? You play chess?
No.
Nah, why did I even waste time? Now, what happens is chess, you think the greatest chess players can, the
6
more
to 7
moves you can
ahead
think
of the game.
ahead,
Yeah.
the better you are.
I
Okay?
concept.
So what I'm saying when I say make her feel bad, it's not just like a girl would go, what are you, a child? And then what
That's
you
it.
need
That's move
is
one.
me to now say the next thing for you to have another thing to say. But if I'm going to bring you down, I have a plan. When I make you feel stupid, plan 7 is for you to be, getting me some ice water at 3 in the morning when you're asleep.
Cooking eggs.
And I'm up. Hey, wake up! I'm thirsty. That's plan 7 and making her feel goofy. That's what I mean. You just think it's at the moment,
Yeah,
hey,
I live in
you're
the present.
silly, man. You kicked me in the ass, bitch.
Yeah.
Like, what? It's not silly. You're looking at how to manipulate the situation to the 10th level.
Maybe she plays chess.
She can't. She's a girl.
She
I just took a poll.
Well, we're rarities. There are beautiful women who play chess.
Absolutely not. All right.